Today, as we face climate change, population growth, and increasing water shortages, information is a powerful tool in the fight against the global water crisis. Recognizing that knowledge sharing in water, sanitation, and hygiene is more important than ever before, ROCKBlue created the online lecture series, a global initiative that acts as a free information resource that has reached thousands of WASH professionals in over 50 countries. These webinars are a one-of-a-kind resource that allow WASH specialists to tap the knowledge and hands-on experience of the world's leading experts in the sector. Our internationally recognized thought leaders provoke new ways of approaching WASH issues, sparking discussions and debates, answering questions, and inspiring action. A platform for insights, ideas, and solutions to the toughest challenges facing water utilities and communities around the globe. Our webinars cover everything from lessons learned during times of crisis, to cutting-edge water conservation methods, to deep dives into how water service providers can gain access to capital. Our knowledge base informs, educates, and inspires WASH professionals to be the best they can be in the present while leaving them better prepared for the future. Online lecture series. Information, experience, sharing. To learn more, visit us at rockblue.org/OLS.